Hey guys, so I am always looking for a small screwdriver for one of my kids' toys. You know, when them batteries go out and you gotta change them. And they always have those tiny little screws in them that take small screwdriver heads. So I recently picked this little kit up and I have to say it is a lifesaver. It comes with a ton of different sizes. You have Phillips, you have flatheads, you have the hexagon ones, and as you can see, they are all hooked to a little metal piece. And to get them out, all you do is you lift it and then you slide. To put it back in, you just slide it. Slide it through and then drop it down. Now, here's the tool that it comes with. And I'm going to show y'all real quick that it is magnetic. If I can get it in there. There we go. So it's magnetic and it holds your piece in place, your screwdriver place, to where it doesn't fall out. So these are great for changing your kids' batteries in their toys, great for cell phone repairs, great for eyeglass repairs.